Hey guys, Dan the Man here again. We have another unboxing for you guys. Here we have the Corsair 32GB DDR5 5600 megahertz, and I believe its latency speed should be 36 CL36. These are pretty good RAMs. These are one of the best quality RAMs you can get. I'm not talking about this. Probably you can tune this inside your system. Maybe you could overclock it. Pretty sure play around with the timings. The Dominator Platinum or Platinum, some people like to say, DDR5 RGB RAMs. It's a 32 gig. It's a great one. I got it actually for a very good price, and as you guys know, Dominator RAMs are really good ones. So let's open this thing and see how it looks inside. Wow, I didn't mean to do that, but okay. Not that I love the box, but didn't want to damage it upon opening. Okay, one side of it opens like that, and there it comes out, just like that. You can see the back of the RAM. Okay, the RAM fell out. Okay, it's on that side. The packaging is pretty cool, actually. Got these from Amazon. Here's some like user guide stuff, and nothing else actually. It's just a RAM, you know. And let's open this thing. But when it comes to the DDR5 platform, because it's a relatively new platform, so you can't really use 4 sticks at the same time, or if you do, they're not going to run at the speed that they're meant to, and you can't really overclock on them if you use 4 of these, unless there's a set of 4 that you would have to buy. Okay, these are the RAMs. It's got RGBs there at the same time as well, and it's got the Corsair Dominator logo there. And the heatsink is actually pretty nice, and it's a very heavy, seems like a high quality thing to have in your hands. And here we have the other piece. Same way, it opens up like that. These are very high quality RAMs. I would say one of the best in the market for those guys that are familiar with the Corsair line of RAMs. If you notice, it's not straight. That's how it goes. You know, it's like a little bit of curvature in there in the corners of where the connectors are. And that's, I believe it's because DDR5 is supposed to be like that, you know. I don't think it's a faulty product, but it's a great one. It feels good. Gonna be using these in a build, and I'll show you guys how it looks later in the video. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up, press the thanks button. You can donate to my channel if you would like to. That would be much appreciated. And anyways, see you guys later.